everyone, you're welcome to this unboxing video. So today we are going to be unboxing this Apple Watch Series 5 gadget. So many of you have been asking, what does the Apple Watch Series 5 do? But it has a lot of awesome specifications. It has the Bluetooth, it has GPS, it has wireless charging, it has loudspeakers, and it has an 18-hour battery life. Can you imagine that? Let's go ahead and review the contents of this box. Stay tuned. Done. This is a space gray aluminum case, as you can see. So this is where you have your instructions. You have to read them. Read this paper to know how to operate the watch. So this is the strap that comes with the watch, where you can easily do this for the wristwatch. Yeah. Thank you for joining us for this Apple Series 5 unboxing. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at Intelape. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Take care. Bye.